Question number 2 says that multiply and reduce to the lowest form if possible. So we have to multiply the two fractions given in each of the given bits and find out the answer in the simplest form or the lowest form. So we'll start with the first bit. We have 2 over 3 times 2 2/3. So we'll write it as 2 over 3 times converting this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. That is 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. We write it as 8 over 3. So to get the product of these two fractions, we multiply the numerators. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 3 is 9. Now this is an improper fraction. So if we do divide 16 by 9, we get the quotient as 1 and the remainder as 7. So the mixed fraction of it becomes 1, 7 over 9. Now coming to the second bit, we have 2 over 7 times 7 over 9. So we can straight away cancel 7 and 7. So our answer in the simplest form or the lowest form comes as 2 over 9. Now coming to the third bit, we have 3 over 8 times 6 over 4. So we can reduce it further because 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. These were the common factors that we could reduce. So now we just multiply the numerators to each other. 3 times 3 is 9. Multiplying the denominators to each other, 4 times 4 we get it as 16. So the answer for the third bit is 9 over 16. Similarly, coming to the fourth bit, we have to find the product of these two fractions, 9 over 5 times 3 over 5. So 9 times 3 is 27. 5 times 5 is 25. Now this again is an improper fraction. So dividing 27 by 25, we get the quotient as 1, remainder as 2. So the mixed fraction for this becomes as 1, 2 over 25. Now we go on to the next set of bits. Coming to the fifth bit, we have 1 over 3 times 15 over 8. So 15 and 3 have got common factors. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So the answer that we get for it is 5 over 8. Coming to the sixth bit, we have 11 over 2 times 3 over 10. So we multiply the numerators, we get 33. Multiplying the denominators, we get 20. As this is an improper fraction because the denominator is smaller than the numerator or the numerator is greater than the denominator, we divide 33 by 20, we get the quotient as 1, remainder as 13. So the mixed fraction for the product is 1, 13 over 20. Coming to the last bit, which is the seventh bit, we have 4 over 5 times 12 over 7. So multiplying the numerator, we get 4 times 12, which is 48, divided by 5 times 7, which is 35. This is an improper fraction. Dividing 48 by 35, we get the quotient as 1, remainder as 13. So the mixed fraction for this becomes 1, 13 over 35. And this is how we solve this question.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.